form of possessive. For example, we need to add an apostrophe and a S to make a singular noun possessive. So if something is singular, we have to add apostrophe S. We need to add an apostrophe to make a plural noun that ends with an S possessive. So if we have a noun that's plural, it already has the S. We don't have to add another apostrophe S, we just have to add an apostrophe. Yep, we just have to add an apostrophe. Okay, now down at the bottom, we're going to practice this. I'm going to read it, and then I'm going to draw a stick, and I'm going to see if this person can figure out, is it singular, is it plural, and where does the apostrophe go? So number 1 says, the blank shells protect them from enemies. So I have turtle. Do I have turtle apostrophe S or turtles with an apostrophe at the end? So I want you to think, how many turtles are there? LEA, how many turtles are there? How many turtles were you talking about in this sentence? Sure. Can you please put your pencils off to the side and look at the board? The blank shells protect them from enemies. So do I want the turtles shells or the turtles?
Turtle.
Which one?
The apostrophe S.
The apostrophe S? How come that one?
I mean the other one.
How come that one?
Because turtles added the S.
There's not more than one turtle. How can I know there's only one turtle? How does Mrs. Murphy know there's only one turtle? Riley? Ellie, watch. Because you got that one wrong. How do I know there's only one turtle?
Because that would have.
No. How does Mrs. Murphy know there's only one turtle? Raylan, I know you know. Because of what? The.
There's only one.
The means one. So Mrs. Murphy knows there's one turtle. Everybody circle the, not as sloppy as Mrs. Murphy did. Circle the, and above it put one. The means one. Then I need to find the word that is singular. Turtle is singular. But then I have to put an apostrophe S to show possession. So the one that I want to circle is the first one. The second one I don't want because this is meaning that there's more than one turtle. And there isn't more than one turtle. There's only one. And he's owning his shell to protect him. Okay, number 2. A blank nose is flat. So I have pigs and I have pigs. But one of them is right. Kaden, which one do you think is right?
The second one.
Oh. Well, what one does it have to be, Tyson?
First.
Why is it the first one? How many pigs am I talking about, Tyson?
One.
One. How do you know that?
Because the apostrophe then is S.
Yeah. How do you know that's right? What is the word in front of it?
Pig.
A. A pig. So we're talking about one pig again. So we have to have pig with apostrophe S. So again, it's the first one. This one means that there's more than one. All right, number 3. The blank bells are on their collars. Wyatt, what do you think? The second one, the cat's bells. Why do you think it's the second one?
Bells in there.
On there. So we're talking about more than one. You know what? This one, you're right. And when Mrs. Murphy was looking at the first one, guess what?
What?
I noticed a word that we kind of missed. What word do we miss up here?
Them.
When we see the word them, what does that
That means
usually mean?
that
means more than one.
That means more than one.
Yeah, so sometimes the can be one, but look over here, we have the word them. So we're talking about actually
More than
one. So, guys, I think on this one,
What?
I think we're right on circling the second one, aren't we?
You're silly.
No, because I wanted you to learn that we sometimes have to look for other words. Sometimes the means one, but in this case, it actually means more than one because it's talking about them. And I wanted to see if anybody could catch this and why it was the only one, because over here, he's found their collars. If I'm talking about their collars, am I only talking about one cat? No, I'm talking about more than one cat. So, Wyatt, flip up for catching that. You're the only one that caught that. So we do need the second one. We need it plural. We're talking about more than one cat. Okay, so you should have the second one circled, the first one, the second one. All right, now we definitely should know this one. Number 4, a puppy's ears are long and soft. Ingrid, what do you think?
First,
The first one. How come you know it's that one?
because it's supposed to have apostrophe and then it has.
Yep, because we're talking about one. So it is the first one. One puppy. His ears are long and soft. He's owning them. Okay, now this one might trick you. It says the dog's food is near its bowl. Addie, what do you think about this one? The first one. Why is it the first one?
Because it has one English. It was like only one.
Right?
And then pigs is only one.
Right.
And so then I knew.
And it's its bowl. Just like you guys might have like your bowl. Like its is talking about one. And in this case, the is also.
I
So,
know the
it's
other
bowl.
one.
Okay. Number 6. The blank mother pushes them to the water. Brooke, what do you think about this one?
I don't know.
The first, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say the word. Cubs or cubs? First or the second?
It's gotta be the first because no, the second one. The
Which
second.
one? Which one?
It's them.
It's them, you're right. So if it's talking about them, is it talking about one cub or more than one?
More
than one. So is it going to be the first one where it's singular or the second one that's plural?
Second.
Yeah, the second one, the plural one. So we want the one that's second here because this is plural. We're talking about more than one because it says them. Them means more than one. That's them cubs. Not just one cub. Because we say the cub. Them means more than one. Okay, so this is hard. You guys have to look at the words around your noun to figure out, is it plural showing possession or is it singular showing possession? Okay, so make sure, guys, on the first one you should have the second. On the second one you should have the first. Second, first,